Welcome all, Papa G here. Today I present my low-carb coleslaw recipe. This is a very quick and easy recipe that won't keep you in the kitchen long when preparing for your summertime barbecue. With just a little over 2.5 grams of net carbs per serving, it's the perfect accompaniment to anything your grill can deliver. Let's get started. We'll take a shortcut here and use a pre-cut packaged cabbage for our recipe. For our dressing, we'll add 1/2 cup of mayonnaise. We'll sweeten with a liquid sugar substitute equal to 2 tablespoons of regular sugar. Add a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil and mix until all of our fats are incorporated. Add some mustard powder, some celery salt, some regular salt, 1/2 teaspoon of lemon pepper seasoning, and some ground black pepper. Mix until the seasoning is thoroughly mixed in. Now add 1/4 cup of vinegar and mix to combine. Add our pre-cut cabbage to a mixing bowl. Pour in our dressing and toss to coat. Serve alongside any barbecue fare and enjoy. There you have it, folks, my low-carb, quick and easy coleslaw recipe. The perfect side salad for any summertime entree. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and consider subscribing. I'll have something new every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.